Graze door installation. Mark and drill the holes in the top track. Insert the accessories into the track. On the side of the door without a soft closer, install a positioner. Fix the top track to the ceiling. Insert and fix the stoppers of the top roller hang into the top rail of the door with a hex key. Screw the top roller mounts a few turns into the fittings in the top track. Insert the fasteners into the top rail of the door. Fix the fasteners with the set screws. Adjust the door height using a hex key. Mark and screw the bottom roller to the floor. Put on the vertical profile cover. Fix the positioner. Fix the soft closer recurrent plate in the top track. Put on the decorative cover on the top track. Check the door operation.